So our plants are obviously growing really well right now because it is springtime now and that's when things start to grow. And yeah, it's getting really warm and the plants are starting to dry out, so I actually need to take a little bit more care in watching how quickly they dry out. And obviously because it's spring and the plants are growing well, it also means that the grasses are growing well and so all the weeds. So we need to go and mow our lawn and give everything a little bit of a trim. This guy is always thirsty. Look how droopy he is. Check that. Always so thirsty, I don't know why. This actually happened with this guy as well, where it just got so thirsty that it killed itself. And this one does the same thing, but these other ones are completely fine. As we all know, these guys don't actually like that much water, so very, very strange. There's a worm in here, guys. That's a very bad sign. Worms inside of your pots kill your plants. Trust me, I know. Trust me, I know. Okay guys, so there's a couple things going on here. As you know, we have to mow the garden and we have some more mail. And who is this mail from? Then none other than Mr. Wretched Davian himself. So once again, thank you Wretched Davian. And if you want to send me something in the mail, just let me know because I love getting stuff in the mail. But anyway, look at how much stuff we actually got, guys. We have 3 big parcels and this one in my hand is actually quite heavy. So we need to open them up. Okay guys, so just like last time, we're gonna open these guys up one by one, and I actually know how to open up this tube this time. So let us get the knife out like we did last time, if I can actually find it. And let's open it up. So start at this end and just twist the staples off. Super easy. I'll even show you guys, check that. See the paper clip, slide this underneath, twist it off, and you just pull that off. And there's the stuff inside. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. It looks like we have a poster here. It looks like we have a lot of posters here. Holy sh**. Guys, how cool is this? Wow. This is the Venus Flytrap with a negative on the other side. Biblis, Sarracenia, Piscina, can't say it properly. Pinguicula grandiflora. Pinguicula lutea. Cephalotus follicularis. Just a normal cephalotus. Pinguicula cordata. Sarracenia purpurea. Drosera macrantha subspecies Planconii. This is front view over here. Side view, Arbitricularia gibba. mosquito larvae inside of the Utricularia, because Utricularia eats stuff in the water. More of it. And the last one, Drosera hamiltonii. I actually really like this one. This is a nice one, but they're all nice actually. And on the back there's a whole list of all the different ones that they have. This is honestly really, really nice. Richard Davian, thank you so much. I just wish I had a room or something, like a wall that I could hang them up on and like record in that room with them in the background or something. That would be so nice. That's a really nice gift, guys. That's really nice. Thank you so much, Richard Davian. We will be opening up this soft packet. As you could tell by my facial expressions in the last clip with the posters, I have no idea what's inside of these packages. So let's see what else we got. I think this is a vinyl. Get the bubble wrap out. Australiana. It is a vinyl, guys. This is the vinyl. I remember Richard Davian talking about a vinyl, so this is obviously the vinyl. I've never actually owned a vinyl before, but I've seen them, many of them. This is really cool. Ostentatious Australiana. Ostentatious. It literally says there. Ostentatious. This is super, super cool. Australiana, guys. Another awesome gift from Richard Davian. Thank you once again. This is the big box, and it's actually quite heavy, and I do not know what's inside of it. So let's now open this up as well, guys. These IKEA knives, guys, they are so sharp. I don't understand why IKEA makes such sharp knives, but it's really, really nice. Like, I'm not sure if it's just because I've been in a third world country my whole life where they don't actually have sharp knives, or if IKEA literally just has sharp knives, but it's insane. So let's see what we got. Wow. We have a lot of stuff in here, guys. Damn, I don't even know where to begin. And this is a VHC, or VHS, sorry. Dynamic Kidna. So let's open it up. So there's no VHC in here, guys. Instead, we have seeds. Drosera plankonii, and we have a lot of them. Check that. So lots of plankonii. Drosera whitakeri over here. Lots and lots and lots. Drosera, another whitakeri over here. And another plankonii. This is awesome. So we will talk more about these seeds a little bit later. Thank you, Richard Davian, once again. Thank you so much. And some more USB sticks from you, Richard Davian. And we will go through these in a later video as well, guys, just like last time. So let's put them aside for now. This is really interesting. Like a little, what would you say? Like a mantelpiece type of thing. I'm not sure really like what you would, like how you would call this, but like just one of those like display pieces. I don't know how you say it, but it's obviously it's a Venus flytrap, and it's on a quite heavy piece here, like of stone, I guess. And this is quite cool. So if we ever get like let's say we get fish or something one day, I'll put these inside because that'd be very, very cool. Very cool. I didn't even know people made these things. Devil Island 6-part documentary series from Devil Island. I think that's Tasmania. I don't know. Oh yeah. Endangered Tasmanian devils learn to be wild. Will they learn to be wild, guys? Let's find out in Devil Island. Another cool DVD that we can watch. If you guys remember our previous video, Richard Davian, he sent us a DVD like this. It's Australasia, Wild Australasia, something similar like that. I really enjoyed that one. I think I still have one more episode to go, but I really enjoy these kind of documentaries like that. So thank you. Carnivorous plants of New Zealand. If you guys don't know, New Zealand is very close to Australia, so they have very similar plants, and they share some of the same plants. But as you can see, this is just a list of all the different plants they have. Check that out. So this here, this darker piece is New Zealand, and this darker, well, this lighter color here is, I think, water or ocean that is owned by New Zealand, but I'm not very good on that. So yeah, just carnivorous plants in New Zealand. I'm not going to go through this with you guys because this is an unboxing video right now. Gardening with carnivores, Sarracenia pitcher plants in cultivation and in the wild. This is really cool. And here's the piece of paper that you said you would send Richard Davian. Here, we've got it. So I'll read through this as well later on, talking about all the different Sarracenias and how to grow them, pictures of them, the different species. Super awesome. Once again, I'll read this later on. Another National Geographic. Now, this is the part where I actually got advice from one of my subscribers. This book isn't old, it's vintage. So I'm not gonna say that the books are old anymore because I don't want to offend you guys anymore. But it's super, super cool. Straight into the Seas, Tough Times in the Prairie. Lots of adverts, just like last time. Some cool stuff in here. Here's a monkey. More monkeys. More monkeys. And we'll go through this. As I said, I'll go through it by myself. Carnivorous Plant Newsletter of Australia. Another one, guys. Thank you, Richard David. Once again, thank you very, very much. I love getting these things. If you guys remember, we went through the last one before. So here's the letterbox from people in Australia talking. Here's plant and seed sources. Beginner's page. So this one's talking about how to grow, well, just information about North American pitcher plants or Sarracenia. And that is about it. So more information on like an automatic watering system for them, which is very, very cool. This is actually something that you guys should do if you go away on holiday a lot or something. Information on tuberous Drosera, his experiences. Drosera binata, information about that. Water and growing medium, searching in northern New South Wales plants. Continued. He has some cartoons about carnivorous plants. And here's some more trades at the back. And then last but not least, 3 Australasia's Geographical magazines. So here's about the goanna. Here's about bats. Coronavirus, I don't want to say it. And here is about, looks like a shrimp in a one of those ocean plants. I forgot what they're called now. Anyway, this is super cool stuff. And as I said, guys, I'm not going to read these books obviously on the camera because that would be quite boring for you guys. But once again, an amazing amount of books and resources and seeds and a DVD. Like just a lot of really cool stuff, and even a little bit of a toy that I'm going to put up somewhere. And obviously those super awesome posters and this vinyl that I really wish that I could have a room to record in so I could like hang up some of these things. It'll be super, super cool. So once again, thank you, Richard David, so much. I really appreciate this. You sending me all these seeds, all these gifts. It is very, very kind of you. Thank you so, so much. So once again, thank you to you, Richard David, for all of this awesome stuff that you got. These posters, the vinyl, the little toy, and all of those other resources, the books and the DVDs, and all the seeds obviously as well. Thank you so much for them. I really appreciate it. And as I said, guys, if you want to send me stuff as well, just let me know, and I'll be very, very happy to get some awesome seeds or something from you guys. So yeah, we're not going to be planting up these seeds, these Drosera, Wittecaria, and Planconia seeds, because the reason for that is because it is going to springtime now, as you guys knew from earlier on. And if we plant them now, they're not going to germinate. So what they really need is a lot of hot and dry weather before they actually germinate. So I will be sowing them up later on in the season, like in summertime or something, so that they can actually germinate when autumn time comes around. But until then, we're not going to be doing anything else. That's about it for today's video, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next episode.